Many factories and distribution centers struggle with the amount of available floor space in their facilities, especially those that had their lines upgraded and expanded over the years, trying to maximize every square meter they have available. This often results in inaccessible production lines and makes working on maintenance or dealing with emergency stops exceedingly costly and dangerous. Doing a standard maintenance inspection in densely packed factory halls often requires workers to walk around the long lines to get to the specific machines they need to inspect, making this job very inefficient, especially when one of the machines has a malfunction. It takes the mechanic several crucial extra minutes to get to the problem, possibly resulting in a flow of damaged products and an increase in downtime. Trying to solve this by using small ladders to climb over the production lines is not only dangerous for the mechanic, but also raises the possibility of contaminating the products. Even simple tasks such as delivering extra materials like labels to keep the line running can become increasingly troublesome when space is limited. Fortunately, there's a perfect answer to all these issues, and it's developed by AmbaFlex, the partner for customized material handling systems based on spiral conveying technology. The solution is a smart but simple way to create extra space without having to expand the factory hall itself. The unique Portal 1 SVS configuration, which comes pre-tested and ready to go, creates a doorway by using two spirals with a connection bridge in between. The engineers at AmbaFlex managed to find a way to use only one belt for all three segments, reducing the number of transfers and drives. The fact that this solution doesn't need these extra transfers minimizes the risk of product jams and product disorientation, which makes it suitable for even the most unstable and delicate products. If your operation could benefit from the most cost-effective plug-and-play option to maximizing line efficiency, minimizing potential production loss, improve safety and accessibility, or avoid contamination risk, then the Portal 1 SVS is the perfect solution for you. The SpiralVeyor Portal 1 series has been patented internationally. This means that the exclusive availability of this unique solution has been secured for all AmbaFlex customers. Contact us today for more details. The AmbaFlex Portal 1, a doorway to efficiency.